Good afternoon. My name is Anisha. I am teaching in Gayatri International School, Saroli. Today we are going to learn about table of 999. We have to write 99 numbers 10 times. After then, toward RX side, we have to write descending order 9 to 0. Okay. And towards left side, ascending order 0 to 9. Table of 999 is ready. If you like such tricks, please follow us.